Minerals can be extracted by mining. Mining is the extraction of valuable minerals or other geological materials from the earth. Materials recovered by mining include base metals, precious metals, iron, uranium, coal, diamonds, limestone, oil shale, rock salt, and potash. Types of mining. Open cast mining. This method of mining is used when deposits of commercially useful minerals or rocks are found at shallow depths. Shaft mining or shaft sinking. It refers to the method of excavating or vertical or near vertical tunnel from the top down, where there is initially no access to the bottom. Drilling. It is a process under which deep wells are bored to take the minerals out. Petroleum and natural gas occur far below the Earth's surface. Quarrying. Minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out by the process of quarrying.